Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how you can get motion and character model assets from ActorCore and use them in your Unity projects. ActorCore models and motions can easily be used in many different types of projects, ranging from architectural pre-visualization to game design and CG film. In ActorCore, you can use the categories on the left to quickly find the type of character that you're looking for. I'm going to choose this stylish looking dude first, and then proceed to go to the motion category. I'm going to enter talking in the search field and then narrow it down to a male character motion by using the drop-down filter list. Once you find a motion, just click on it and it will automatically preview the motion on the right. From there, you can just click on the download button, which will prompt you to choose a character rig to align the motion to. However, if you're downloading a motion to be used with a custom created character, you'll want to choose either the male or female dummy characters for this step. In this case, we'll just choose the same rig for the stylish male character that we selected previously. The export settings are next. Here is where you have the option to export your character's facial blend shapes if you want to apply facial animation to it later. Since there is an auto setup plugin for importing your Reallusion characters into Unity, we don't need to check the embed texture box. We want to select Unity as our target application. Below that is a link that leads us to the page with more details on how to install Unity Auto Setup when importing your Reallusion characters. There are lots of further instructions here, including a Getting Started tutorial video which runs you through the basic steps. You can download the zip file containing all the files you need on this page as well. Next, let's take a look at importing the actor model along with the motion we downloaded. First, we need to install Unity Auto Setup, so let's drag the folders after unzipping and place them into our Unity project. If you encounter an error message, simply press play once in order to fix it. After that's done, you can do the same things with the actor and motion folders that you downloaded. Just simply click and drag them from Explorer into your project. Once they've imported, you can drag the prefab into the viewport to get a visual on how it will look in your project. Under Surface Inputs, you'll find a smoothness remapping parameter that you can use to tweak the shininess of the character. Next, let's focus on the animation. We can open the animation controller from the motion folder. If you want to loop the motion, you can simply right-click on it in the animation controller, select Make Transition, and then loop it onto itself. We also want to enable Foot IK here. Next, let's drag the controller into the character's controller field and press play to see it in action. Finally, let's take a look at how we can edit and animate the character blend shapes that we exported from ActorCore to do some rudimentary facial animation. If you select the character model, you'll be able to see a list of all the blend shapes in the inspector. You can mess around with their values to see exactly which effect each one will have on the face of your character model. In order to create our animation, we can right-click in the Project section and select Create Animation. I'll title this one Blink. From there, we need to import it to our controller, so let's open that up and create a new layer for our face called Face Layer. We can then click and drag our blink animation in there. We're going to loop this one as well using the same right-click, Make Transition, and self-select workflow we used earlier. From there, we need to adjust the weight from 0 to 1 since we're just playing back this simple face motion. In the Animation tab, let's switch over to the Blink track where we can edit the blend shape keys in the timeline. To do so, first enable keyframe recording mode, then change the value of the blink blend shape at random intervals to create the blinking animation. Once you do this, you can play back and see the blink animation in real time. You can also play the entire project to see the body and facial animation play simultaneously. If you encounter a situation where your actor build character's eyelashes or hair are exhibiting an opacity issue, one way to solve this is to select the alpha clipping option in the character surface options and adjust the threshold value. If you're looking for a fast and easy animation tool to refine and edit your motions, iClone has a complete arsenal of tools at your disposal. The Edit Motion Layer tool allows you to make specific tweaks to the character motions using Human IK and FK on your character for quick and easy results. You can even go down to the finger level. And the Aculips feature provides an easy and intuitive workflow that can better help you to get quick and accurate lip sync on your character. In addition, you can also take a look at using facial mocap with your iPhone, which is an easy yet professional way to achieve incredibly realistic facial animation in minutes. Combine the two, and you have a complete professional animation that is usable in everything from a video game NPC character to an architectural pre-visualization. That's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.